Hi everyone, so I haven't done my favorites in a while. I think the last time I did them was in March. So today I decided I will do my favorites for the month of July because there are some products that I've been loving lately and I just wanted to share with you guys so it can be helpful to you. So let's just skip into it. So for this month's favorites, I divided my products into two groups. One group is makeup products and the other group is like skincare products and things like that. First I'm gonna be talking about my makeup products. The first thing that I've been loving lately so much is I think my actually all-time favorites, but I decided I will share it with you in this video. It's this Avon makeup setting spray, and before I bought this I had another one too, but it wasn't as good as this one. And before I used to carry all of my makeup in my little makeup bag when I was going out, and when I started using this one I noticed that although I was still carrying like a little makeup bag with me, I didn't even need it anymore. I wasn't using it to like fix my makeup or anything like that, so I just stopped carrying it with me because it was just making my bag heavier, and you know how our bags are, girls, so really we don't need like extra stuff in our bag. So this stuff is pretty amazing. It holds my makeup throughout the whole day. I don't have to fix it or anything. I just noticed at the end of the day like it starts to get a little greasier or something like that, but the makeup still stays on, so it's a great product. Next thing I'm gonna be sharing with you guys is this Beauty UK eyeshadow and eyeliner collection palette, and I discovered this like a month ago, and I actually did a summer nights makeup tutorial using only this palette, and I was so happy when I discovered this palette because it consists of 6 colors. They're all kind of like brownish neutral like, and the two are like more bright, like golden and orange, and it has 2 gel eyeliners, one black and one brown. And the thing I love about this palette is because eyeshadows are kind of like greasy and they stay longer on your eyelids, and this gel liner is actually pretty cool too, but I didn't use it that much because I prefer liquid eyeliner over a gel eyeliner, but I would say it's good, and when I do use it, it stays on all day, doesn't smudge or anything like that. And the thing I love the most about this palette is this brush that comes with it. I was shocked that I actually found a palette that has a brush that can be used. You know how you always get like little brushes and something, but they are not as good as your own that you have. But this one, blending brush, is super awesome to me, and this for applying gel eyeliner is also super cool to me. So the next thing I'm gonna be talking about is this Fit Maybelline's concealer. I have a shade 15, and I really don't know why I waited so long to try. I'm wearing it right now, and I don't know if you can see, but it covers my dark circles very good. I also use it kind of as a highlight. It does wonders, and it stays on my skin. It doesn't smudge or anything. Covers my blemishes, any kind of blemishes I have, my dark circles, pretty much does wonders to my skin. So I've been loving this so much, and if you haven't tried it like me for so long, give it a try, you will love it. My next favorite is this Essence's Get Big Lashes Triple Black Mascara, and I'm one of the persons who doesn't care actually about mascara or anything, because I like to put more money into my foundation rather than into mascara, because if I want big eyelashes I can always apply falsies, so it doesn't really matter to me. And I bought this one just because it was cheap, and at first I didn't like it, but now that I got used to it, to applying it and everything, I must say I really love it. It really makes my eyelashes longer and more volumized and everything. The only downside to this mascara is that I need to use another mascara's brush to divide my eyelashes after applying this one, because it kind of sticks my eyelashes together. I don't know, is it because of my eyelashes or that's just how this mascara works, but after I comb them out with another mascara's brush, it's perfect. So I really don't care, I can use another brush. The last thing in my first group of products is this Catrice Cosmetics Eyebrow Filler Perfecting and Shaping Gel. I'm not sure in which shade is this. I don't know if you can tell, but it actually makes my eyebrows a little bit brighter than they usually are, and my eyebrows are, and I have very thick eyebrows. They grow so fast, they're carbon dark colored like, and there's really nothing you can apply to them that will make them brighter. I've tried a zillion of products and none made my eyebrows brighter. So the first time I applied this, I applied it on my bare eyebrows, and I didn't like it because you cannot use it just like that. And then I used shadow from Essences to fill my eyebrows in, and then I tried using this one, and I discovered that it kind of gives a little brighter tone to my eyebrows, and it fills the parts where I missed with my brow shadow, and it sticks my brows very well together, so they don't go all over my face during the day, which I love. If you have like problems with making your brows brighter or anything, just try this that I tried, and maybe you will love it, you never know. And oh my god, I almost forgot, I have one more product in this group of products, like makeup products, is this Maybelline's Colorama nail polish. I've been searching for like a month or two for this perfect color that I've been having in my head, like a perfect mixture of purple and pink, but all of the nail polishes I tried too pink or too purple, and it wasn't how I imagined it in my head. It was driving me crazy so much. So I went to the drugstore one day and I was like, okay, I'm gonna try just one more nail polish and then I give up. I cannot find the color in my head, and I just have to like, okay, get over it. So when I looked at this, it looked to me like pretty much the color I had in my head. And the thing about nail polishes, to me they look a little different, the containers, than they look when I put them on my nails. So when I came home, I was still skeptical and everything, so I applied it, of course, the same color that was in the container, and I was so happy. I actually have this color on my nails right now, and I think I have it on my nails for straight 5 days now, and still no chipping of the nails, anything. The color still stays on, which I love, because I really hate applying nail polish. There is nothing more hateful to me than that, because it takes like an hour of my life, and just, yeah. So this is my favorite color for the July. Now we come to the other group of products, skincare products. I will share only 3 with you, but I've been loving them so much lately and I just wanted to share. So the first one is this makeup tissues from Vallejo. They don't have a scent, they have a neutral scent, which I love. I don't love to put like a lot of fruity like smells on my face because it burns my skin. Funny story, I actually tried a do-it-yourself mask with orange, and it burned my skin so much. And it instantly started burning, and I was like, okay, maybe I have to wait like for a minute or two, and I actually waited. Started burning a hell lot, and I just took it off and it was still burning, although I washed it and everything, and I had to like hold a wet cold towel on my face for straight 15 minutes, and after that apply aloe vera. As I was saying, like, I love the neutral scent of it, I love how it moisturizes my face, and I love how it removes all of my makeup. Like really any kind of makeup I have, easy, heavy, it will remove it. So the next thing that I've been loving this month is this Schwarzkopf Schauma Cream and Oil Intensive Pamper Treatment for Anti-Split. So I've been noticing lately that my hair was getting like split ends, and it was dry and everything. So I decided I will try this hair mask, because I used one of the hair masks from them before and I loved it. So I tried this one this month, and it does really wonders. I noticed that I have less split ends on my hair. I can comb it out very easily, like I don't get tangles or anything, and it makes my hair so smooth, silky smooth, which I love. And it also smells like pretty good to me, kind of neutral to going to like those creamy scents. I don't know how to describe it to you, but yeah, I've been. And the last product I'm gonna share with you this month is this Fa Cream and Oil Cacao Butter and Cocoa Oil Intensive Clearing Shower Cream. I don't know why do I have to pronounce like the whole name of the product. I just want you guys to know what I'm talking about. So this shower gel, I cannot describe it to you how good this smells to me. I've been using this actually like last year, and then I always try like new scents and everything, and I always come back to this one. So I bought this one in my local drugstore, and just the smell of it, I cannot describe it to you. Like, I could smell it for days. I would just take a shower like every 3 hours just to smell more like this. It's perfect. And what I love about this product is that you can actually use it for shaving, because it's very moisturizing and it doesn't damage your skin. If you have dry skin like me, give this a try, and I promise you, you will love it. So these were all of my July monthly favorites. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down for more videos from me, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
The sound of your voice on tape you never want.